How to delete all your TikTok videos in one click. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open TikTok application and go straight to Profile. Click on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for Settings and Privacy. Click on that. Scroll to the bottom and look for the Report a Problem option. Click on that and then click on Account and Profile and go to Profile page. There, select the other option. TikTok will now show you the guideline for help. And on the bottom you will see Is your problem resolved? Below that, click on No and then on Need more help. You can type your feedback here now. Type in your feedback or you can simply copy what I have written. I wrote, Hello TikTok, I created this account few months back without knowing the rules and guidelines of TikTok, and I am afraid my videos are against the community guidelines of TikTok, and therefore I want to delete all the videos on my TikTok account. So can you please help me delete these videos? Click on Submit now and TikTok will send you a reply within 24 hours and will help you further. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.